If you're the kind of person who picks up today's phones and feels like you're holding a brick, if you remember the golden era when slipping a Nokia into your jeans was a legit flex, then this video is about to be your personal time machine. Because Nokia, yeah, they're making a comeback. And this time, they're not just stepping into the ring. They're bringing something the world has never seen before. This isn't just another smartphone. This is an engineering miracle. I'm talking about the Nokia Slim X 5G. We are talking about a phone so thin, you'll think you're holding a sheet of paper. But don't let the slim profile fool you. This thing packs so much power, it'll make your average rugged phone look like a toy. We're talking a 200 megapixel DSLR killer camera, the most powerful Snapdragon processor on the planet, and a battery that goes from 0 to 100 in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Think about that: slimness, power, perfection, all in one device. If that sounds like your kind of dream phone, stick around until the end. Today, we're breaking down everything, from the insane design and display to the camera, the raw performance, and most importantly, the price and launch date. Let's get into it. Design and display. First things first, the design. When I say slim, I'm not just throwing out a marketing term. The Nokia Slim X 5G is shaping up to be the slimmest smartphone ever made. The goal here: zero bulk. It's the perfect balance, a mix of elegance and raw strength. The body is crafted with a premium aluminum frame that gives it that solid, premium feel. But the real magic happens when you flip it over. You're greeted by a massive, immersive 6.75-inch Super AMOLED display. This screen isn't just big, it's ridiculously sharp. We're talking 4K video that looks so crisp you feel like you could reach into it. Colors pop in a way that makes everything look lifelike. And it's not just about sharpness. This display runs at a 120 Hz refresh rate. Imagine scrolling through social media or playing a high-speed game like Call of Duty Mobile. That 120 Hz means the screen refreshes 120 times every second. The result: a buttery smooth, liquid-like experience that makes everything feel faster. To protect this beauty, Nokia is using Corning Gorilla Glass 7. This stuff is tough. We're talking drop it and don't sweat it tough. And yes, you get that ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks in a flash. DSLR killer camera. Now, let's get to the feature that's got everyone hyped: the camera. This is where the Nokia Slim X 5G refuses to play nice with the competition. In fact, it's aiming to dethrone them. On the back, we're looking at a serious triple camera setup. The headliner is a beastly 200 megapixel primary sensor. This isn't just a big number, it's a technological flex. We're talking about a level of detail where you can take a photo of a mountain and zoom in to count the feathers on a bird standing miles away. Paired with that is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, perfect for those massive landscape shots, or when you're trying to fit your entire squad into one frame without someone getting cropped out. It captures a massive 120-degree field of view with zero distortion. Rounding out the trio is an 8 megapixel macro lens. If you're into capturing the intricate details, like the texture on a butterfly's wing or the dew on a flower, this lens lets you get so close you'll see a whole new world. And for all you content creators out there, the front camera is a 50 megapixel powerhouse. This isn't your average selfie cam. Your Instagram reels, your vlogs, your video calls, everything is going to look pro level. Performance. So, it's slim, it's got a killer camera, but can it keep up? The heart of this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This isn't your standard chip. This is Qualcomm's most advanced silicon yet, built on a 3nm architecture. What that means for you is insane performance without draining your battery. Whether you're blasting through heavy games like Genshin Impact on max settings or editing 4K video on the go, this phone isn't going to stutter. It just won't. On the software side, it's running the latest Android 16 out of the box. And Nokia's UI has always been known for being clean and bloatware-free, no weird apps you didn't ask for. Just pure, smooth Android. Battery backup. Here's the part that'll blow your mind: the battery. Despite being ridiculously thin, Nokia has managed to cram a 5500 mAh battery inside. That's serious capacity. For most users, you're looking at a full day and then some. Even for heavy users, this thing will comfortably get you through from morning to night. But the real game changer: 90-watt fast charging. We're talking 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. You wake up, plug it in while you brush your teeth, and by the time you're ready to walk out the door, you're fully charged. No more battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. When can you get it, and what's it going to cost you? Nokia hasn't made it official yet, but based on the leaks and intel we've gathered, here's the scoop. For the launch date, we're looking at the end of the year, think November or December 2026 for the global rollout. And for the price, with these flagship-tier features, it's clear this phone is aiming for the premium space. According to the leaks, the base variant, which comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, is expected to land at around $699. That's the Nokia Slim X 5G. So what do you think? Is this the comeback we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.